everyone. This is Siddharth, VP at SMO Team Learn for Cause. So today I'm here to talk about some things, some questions which were sent to me by Ashirwad this evening, forcefully asking me to make this video. So yeah, here goes. We got to know about Learn for Cause. I think it was in the middle of October when I was still taking my classes which I used to take, and then I received a message from Dhruva Jyoti asking me to join the core team at Learn for Cause, the core SMO team at Team Learn for Cause. So I considered that a good opportunity, and then I started researching about what this company does, what its objectives, and how it functions, how much the reach is, how big the company is. So yeah, I just came to know that it's a startup and it's been growing well. The objective was pretty humbling, I would say, something that I used to think about a lot. So yeah, our interests almost aligned immediately, and then we had an interview the next day where we talked about all these things. Yeah, that's that. Like, that's how I got to know about Learn for. What has been the best part about contributing to Team Cause? So yeah, the whole journey at Team Cause has been a roller coaster ride. I mean, we have seen highs, we have seen lows, and the best thing is that the team has always stuck together and supported each other. So yeah, I would say the best part which comes to my mind when it's about contributing to Team Cause is the relationships and the people that I have met here will surely be the best part of this whole journey. Ashirwad, Siddhant, Dhruva, Anupam, Saurav, all these people have been very great part of this whole journey. I've got to learn a lot from each of them, and I'm really looking forward to learn more. Who is the funniest in Team Cause? So, I mean, of course, there is no doubt it's me, of course. But no, I mean, jokes apart, Ashirwad is quite funny. He tries to be funny in a lot of meets, but I don't know. Sometimes he just tries to be funny, and in the end, he just gives you a task to do. So, yeah, he's funny with, an added task. That's one thing that you need to be aware before joining Team Cause. So yeah, I mean, everybody is funny, I would say. Siddhant's dance is funny. I join meets with only one perspective when Ashirwad joins. I join the meet because I know that if Ashirwad is in the meet, he will be giving a lot of tasks, stretching the meet about till 1 hour, and there my job is to lighten up everything. Talk to the interns, make it seem like a little less heavy than Ashirwad make it seem. So yeah, that's my job, I would say. How is Team Cause providing an inclusive space for women and men to work in collaboration? So yeah, I mean, when it comes to this, I don't have a lot to say, but whatever I will be saying is just very to the point. We don't differentiate when it comes to tasks, when it comes to opportunities, when it comes to abilities and responsibilities. We don't differentiate. We're not like, I mean, come on, I mean, he is more capable or she isn't that capable. That's not the first thought that comes to our mind. From day one, we start judging your tasks, judging you on the basis of your tasks, on the basis of your performances. There is no other factor that comes to our mind when we start judging. It's not like any regional differences or any language barriers, nothing. If your task is good, you will be promoted, you will be given that opportunity. It's just that. It's just as simple as that. So yeah, I mean, that's how I think we assure that everybody is given the same opportunity to grow, or same that's how we create an inclusive space for men and women to work together without any differences, I would say. And yeah, so that's that. Someone that I look up to at Team Cause, everybody has different abilities which I want in myself. Uh, but yeah, I think it's fair to say that Siddhant is the most hardworking person when it comes to handling meetings, when it comes to handling disputes, anything you can look up to, or you can call Siddhant if there is any difficulty in your domain. I don't know whether Ashirvad will be able to solve it or not. I don't know whether Dhruva will be able to solve it or not, but Siddhant will have some way or the other, I mean, to solve it or to outsource it and make it seem less heavy on you. So, yeah, I do look up to Siddhant, and also he is also engaged in a lot of other tasks, but still he works here like a full-time thing. So, I do look up to Siddhant, and I would say like all of us look up to Siddhant because he has that, uh, aura. He has that kind of ability that makes him different than everybody who is working at Team Cause. I'm not saying like we don't have that ability that Siddhant has. It's just that Siddhant is built different. I don't know how to put it into words, but yeah, I mean, I think that is a good way to say it. Siddhant is built different. Why should someone consider joining Team Cause? So the thing is that I am at no position to tell you whether it will be good for you or bad for you joining Team Cause, but I can tell you what I have experienced, and then you can make up your mind. So first of all, you like considering joining Team Learn for Cause. First, I'm there. I'm there. Like, it's not like I'm there. It's just that, yeah, I said that in a funny way, but still, I mean, every one of us are very supportive. Are like the team that you will get here. I don't think you will get this supportive. People who are supportive to this extent at any other organization. We are all students. We are all people who know how like the hardships that you face every day, your classes, your everything that you go through, and so we understand your difficulties and then we relate to it. And so you don't have to justify your actions. You don't have to say like this is the reason, and you don't need to be scared that whether we understand you or not. I'm sure we do understand you. So yeah, we are all very supportive when it comes to learning. If you are learning from scratch, if you don't know anything about how a domain works, but still you have allotted or appointed for that, then of course we are all here to help you out. I mean, I did not know nothing. Okay, I did not know anything before joining Team Cause. I was a complete fresher. I was a noob. I mean, I think that's not the wrong thing to say here. Yeah, I was a noob. I didn't know anything. Just had a basic information about how sales work. But now I'm at a position where I hire sales interns. So yeah, that's the difference that Learn for Cause has created for me. We are all supportive. Yeah, the only reason I've gotten up to here is the reason that the people that I've met are so supportive while teaching me the tasks, while guiding me in the right direction. Second thing is that we use the most updated tech, most updated tools that are in the market. Like we're not still at Microsoft Excel. We use Google Docs, we use Google Sheets. Also a lot of paid softwares if you are looking at that domain. So yeah, we do use a lot of paid software to facilitate and to make our work more efficient. So yeah, that's what we do at today's date. And yeah, we are a startup, so it's like every input that you give to us, every idea that you put forth is a new idea for us. It holds a lot of value when it comes from you, and we will be considering that as a valuable suggestion and work towards it. So any idea that you have, even the silliest ones, even the it's not like this is an average idea, this is a normal idea, this is a good idea. It's not like that. All ideas are equally valuable and are given equal importance at our organization, regardless of who it comes from. It could come from an intern, it could come from an executive position person, or it could come from a core member person. But it's not like there are certain hierarchies of importance. I mean, I don't know if whatever I'm saying makes sense, but yeah, that's what I feel. Regardless of where your idea comes from, it holds equal importance in our organization, and we do give a lot of importance to the ideas that you put forth. So, and also the work is very flexible. As you know, we are all students. We do have our colleges. We all have our exams. We all have our assignments. We all have our parties. So yeah, I mean, this is something that we do because it makes us feel good. It makes us feel fulfilled. So yeah, we do understand if you have any problem, if you have problems with your assignments, with your college, anything. We do understand that, and it's like if you have your exams, you can take a whole week off. It's completely acceptable from our side. So yeah, that's one thing that we can guarantee you, that we will understand you. It will be like you won't have to explain your position to us. It is, you can consider it understood. So yeah, I think that's the end of all the questions that were told me, sent to me from Ashirvad. Yeah, looking forward to work with you guys, and hope you don't meet Ashirvad in a meet, because it will be disaster. Meet me, I'm fine, I'm fun. Ashirvad is a little we'll see.